One of the things we want to try and challenge is that we want people to be elected based on their own personal standing, so that you don't get confused. Nani unajificha nyuma ya SG, naweka picha yake kubwa, wewe unaweka yako kidogo. People vote for you because of the SG, then immediately you are voted for, you start insulting him. So one of the things we are trying to do also is to also generate that personal responsibility. We are selling our candidate, we are explaining, we are distinguishing them, and by the way, the distinction is now becoming very, very, very clear. We have a situation, for example, when you look at our manifesto, and you look at the one from UDA, because there's no Kenya Kwanza by the way officially, it is Azimio and UDA. When you look at those comparisons, you're able to know what the distinctions are. When you're talking to people one-on-one, you're able to explain to them. And then also part of the messaging packaging is to create that distinction, so that we don't confuse voters by hiding behind certain positions. Otherwise, you're going to end up having the same problem we have now, where we have some people who got elected because they put Uhuru's picture in front of them, and the first thing they did immediately they got into office was start undermining him.